Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what could be your cat's new favorite litter, the LMJP Crystal Cat Litter. If you've been on the hunt for the best Silica Crystals 8LB Cat Clumping Litter, this one deserves your attention. Let's start with the big picture. The LMJP Crystal Cat Litter comes in a 24-pound pack, split into 3 convenient 8-pound bags. But what sets this apart is its promise to last up to 6 months. Yes, half a year of low-maintenance litter duty. Now, this isn't your average clay litter. LMJP uses premium silica gel crystals, which work completely differently. Instead of clumping, these crystals rapidly absorb moisture, locking away liquids and odors in seconds. This results in a consistently dry surface that feels comfortable under your cat's paws and stays cleaner longer. When it comes to odor control, this litter excels. It's designed to capture smells on contact and trap them before they can spread. That means no more walking into your house and being greeted by the unmistakable scent of a litter box. The unscented formula is perfect for cats and owners with sensitive noses, nothing artificial, nothing perfumey, just clean air. Anyone with an active cat knows how annoying it is to find litter particles scattered around the house. Thanks to its unique crystal shape and size, LMJP's litter stays inside the box, reducing the mess and making cleanup easier. Plus, the dust-free design is a major win. No plumes of powder when pouring or scooping, and no dust coating your furniture or floating in the air. Another major plus is its lightweight nature. Despite being powerful in absorption and odor control, these blue and white crystals are surprisingly light, making them easier to carry, pour, and store. And let's not forget about longevity. Because this litter doesn't clump, you're not constantly removing wet masses. Instead, it dries out the moisture and keeps functioning for weeks at a time. According to LMJP, one 24-pound package can last up to 6 months depending on usage, meaning less hassle, fewer trips to the store, and more time enjoying your cat, not cleaning up after them. To wrap it up, LMJP Crystal Cat Litter offers a smart, clean, and cost-effective solution for cat owners looking to simplify litter maintenance. It combines rapid absorption, powerful odor control, low tracking, and dust-free comfort in one neat package. Whether you've got a single cat or multiple, this could very well be the long-lasting litter solution you've been searching for. If you want a cleaner home, a fresher smell, and a happier cat, give the LMJP Crystal Cat Litter a shot. That's it for today's product critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you found this review helpful. Got questions about the product? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.